Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Wait, is this the foldable with almost no visible crease? I just got a quick hands-on with the Oppo Find N6 and the global launch is happening very soon. The phone comes in two beautiful colors, Stellar Titanium and Blossom Orange. The design looks incredibly premium, and what surprised me the most is how slim and refined it feels for a foldable. Oppo has also improved the hinge design. It feels very smooth when opening and closing. When folded, it almost feels like a regular flagship phone instead of a bulky foldable. When you unfold it, you get a massive 8.12-inch LTPO OLED display. Honestly, the crease is barely noticeable. The screen looks super bright and smooth and impressive. On the back, there is a premium Hasselblad-tuned camera system. The highlight here is the 200 megapixel main camera. It also supports the Oppo AI Pen, which means you can write, draw, and interact with AI features directly on a big foldable display. Inside that, you are expected to get a flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 of storage, and a massive 6000 mAh battery. We will know all the official details at the global launch on March 17th. But from this quick hands-on, it's already looked impressive. So what do you guys think? Could this be the best foldable of 2026? Do let me know in the comment section below. So if you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. And see you in my next video. Bye guys.